today I'm very excited to bring to you an honest review of this car detailing towel. This towel is super highly absorbent. That's why I got this towel. So instead of going into like car washes and having them do it, I like to do car washing myself. So this is the towel I use right here. So I'll go ahead and show you the material up close so you can go and see it. It's going to be a microfiber with a twisted loop design here to make it ultra absorbent. It's also going to be scratch free, towel streak free, and spot free, which is super important. I mean, how many towels have you used, like a regular beach towel that you thought would work, and it leaves a big streak? I mean, it's not really nice, and it could scratch your car. But this one right here is going to be that scratch free. In terms of sizing, it is a very nice size here, so it's going to be about 36 inches in length, and then about 24 inches here. So, very nice size towel right here. You can definitely cover a lot of area when you're going to go ahead and dry off your car. So, very nice. I really like it. Definitely go and check this out if you're looking for a nice microfiber towel to go ahead and use for drying off your car. That's going to be streak free and everything like that. Really like this. And yeah, that's what it's looking like. A nice black color here. Go check it out.